Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to explore an amazing online tool for science education called PhET Interactive Simulations. PhET provides fun, free, and interactive math and science simulations that help students learn through discovery and play. In this video, I will show you a complete guide on how to use PhET from a teacher's perspective, so you can easily integrate these interactive tools into your lessons. First, open your preferred browser and search for PhET on Google. Click on the first official link to access the homepage. Once you are on the homepage, you will see a notification banner for teachers at the top. Click on Register for a free educator account to start creating your account. On this page, select your account type according to your role, such as teacher or pre-service teacher. After that, check the two boxes below to verify your age and agree to the privacy policy, then click Next. On this Contact Info page, fill in your email address, create a password, and enter your name. Then, scroll down to select your country, type your city, and click Next to proceed. For the final step, enter your school's name and select your subjects, such as biology. Choose the year you started teaching. Then, scroll down to choose your current role in the classroom and select your experience level with PhET. Also, don't forget to choose the grade level so you can move forward without any errors. Click the purple Register Now button to complete your registration. A pop-up will appear thanking you for registering and asking for a donation. You can just click on Maybe Later at the bottom left to proceed straight to your dashboard. After registering, you will see an Awaiting Email Confirmation page. PhET will send a verification link to your registered email address. You just need to check your inbox and click the link to complete your account setup. After registering, PhET will bring you back to the home screen to sign in. Enter your registered email address and password, then click the purple Sign In button to access your dashboard. Now that you are successfully logged in, simply scroll down on the home screen until you see the subject options. As you can see, PhET offers a lot of subjects, but for this example, we will click on Biology. It will automatically bring you to this Filter page with the Biology box already checked on the left. As you can see, it will instantly filter the page and show you the 8 available biology simulations you can use for your lessons. On the left menu, you can click the plus sign next to Grade Level to filter simulations by your student's school level. You can also expand compatibility to see that it is automatically set to HTML5, which ensures the games run smoothly on any browser. You can choose the release type or check Inclusive Features to find simulations with inclusive design features and expand Locale to change the language. When you click on the Browse tab, you will see a layout like this, but all the subjects like physics and math are mixed together. Since our main focus is only on biology, it is much better to use the Filter tab directly so we can get the exact simulations we need. However, when you click on Customize, it will display a different layout with only 4 results. These are specific biology simulations that teachers can easily customize for their lesson plans. If you look at the top menu under Simulations, there are actually many other subject options available, such as physics, chemistry, and mathematics. But for today, we will only focus on biology. When you select Biology from the top menu, it will automatically filter the page for you. Next, if you click on the Studio menu at the top and select Customizable Sims, it will automatically open the Customize tab. Here, it shows 47 simulations from all subjects that teachers can easily modify for their classrooms. If you want to find lesson plans, just go to the top menu, click Teaching, and select Activities. Click on Biology Activities to see all the resources ready for you to use. This will instantly load 145 results specifically for biology lessons. As you scroll through the list, you can find various lesson plans and activity sheets shared by other educators to use in your classroom. Now, let's pick Color Vision as an example. On this page, you can see the topics covered and the learning goals for your students. To use this lesson plan, simply click on the file link to download it directly to your device. As you can see, it downloads as a Word document, making it very easy for you to customize or print for your students. Before you download, you can check the resource details at the top. It shows the subjects covered, the recommended grade levels, the activity type, and even the suggested duration for the lesson, which is 30 minutes. If you scroll down further, the page also states the specific learning goals and a detailed description of the activity. This makes it easier for teachers to see exactly what skills or knowledge the students will gain from this lesson sheet. On the left side of the page, there are many other filter options that you can choose and change if you want. You can expand these menus to filter the results by grade level, activity type, setting, or duration to find the exact lesson plan that fits your classroom setup. Besides downloading, teachers can also share their own lesson plans with the community. Just go to the top menu under Teaching and select Contribute an Activity. Here, you can fill in the form, upload your activity files, set the learning goals, and choose the correct subject category so other teachers can easily find and use your resources. Now, let me show you an example of how to play the simulation using membrane transport. When you open a specific simulation like membrane transport, you can scroll down to explore several helpful subtabs. About gives you the basic overview and learning goals, while Teaching Resources provides tips for teachers, which you can download as a PDF. Next, Activities displays a list of lesson plans submitted by other educators. And Presets allows you to see pre-made simulation challenges, like the glucose challenge. You can also check Translations to download the simulation resources in other languages, such as English or French. Now, let me show you an example of the simulation. We will use membrane transport as our example. Let's see how the simulation works by choosing the Facilitated Diffusion mode. Inside this simulation, you can easily add different molecules like sodium ions and glucose into the space. Students can clearly see and hear how these particles move across the cell membrane through specific transport proteins, making the concept of diffusion much easier to visualize. In conclusion, PhET Interactive Simulations is an excellent tool for biology teachers to make lessons more engaging and visual. With its easy-to-use filters, customizable settings, and ready-made lesson plans, you can easily elevate your students' learning experience. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's make science become fun.